The top 5 best garlic pressure recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. OXO Good Grip Soft-Handled Garlic Press. AMDONKING Slow Juicer with 7 spiral masticating for maximum juice yield, minimal oxidation, reserve most nutrition. It can make various health foods for your family. No dirty hands and no splashing. Only a few seconds. You can drink a cup of juice with little pulp and foam when you used our AMDONKING Slow Masticating Juicer. Easy to enjoy different flavored juices every day with AMDONKING Cold Press Juicer Machines. Innovatively changing the single-purpose traditional juicer. AMDONKING Juicer does not only can work as a juicer but also can work as a meat grinder or slicer shredder. Recommendation number 2. VANTIC Garlic Press Rocker. This new garlic press with arc shape, comfortable handle design makes squeezing a breeze, even for those with weaker grip or small hands. With a slight back and forth rocking motion, easily crush or mince garlic in half the time. The VANTIC garlic press is very durable, corrosion resistant, and will not rust nor break. Because the garlic collects on the surface of the rocking garlic press, there are no extra dishes to clean. Recommendation number 3. AMDONKING Garlic Press Rocker. New garlic press is very durable and made of premium 100% full stainless steel. Sturdy, durable, comfortable, ergonomic. Garlic mincer enables you also to mince ginger, crush peanuts, and chop nuts in a breeze. Thanks to its heavy-duty and oliphobic construction, you can easily mince both unpeeled garlic cloves and peeled ginger root easily. A compact size, 4.2x 2x 2.6 inch, about 130 weight, which is portable and easy to store. Garlic is collected on the back surface of the rocking garlic press, taking out them with a spoon. Recommendation number 4. ZULAY Stainless Steel Garlic Press Rocker Set. This garlic press will rock your world. We're tired of getting garlic all over your hands and workstation? This innovative kitchen gadget saves you time and effort for your marinades and recipes by pressing garlic like it's nobody's business. The ZULAY Kitchen Garlic Press Rocker is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel that is built to last even the most pressing tasks. Perfect for handling any sort of rocking pressure when your recipes call for one or dozens of garlic cloves. Recommendation number 5. Garlic Press Crusher Stainless Steel Garlic Press Rocker. Curved rolled design, comfortable handle, more labor-saving than traditional stainless steel garlic press. Everyone can also use easily and make it so funny. This garlic press is very durable, corrosion-resistant, and will not rust nor break. The garlic peeler is made of high-quality silicone gadget. Two-leg separates safety and environmental protection. The use of food-grade environmentally friendly plastic, non-toxic, harmless. You can enjoy a happy cooking time.